Net problem. Yeah. Hi students. Hope I'm audible to you. Yeah. Good evening, dear. Good evening. Hope you know why I came to live today. Very tough paper. Hitendra Singh. Good evening, Sandeep. Good evening. Let me switch off this. Yeah, better. Moderate to tough. Okay, dear. My personal, yes, sir. 29 was very easy. Yeah, actually, that was not of GATE standard. Actually, last year paper. Sir, synchronous 9 marks. Yeah. King of machine. King of machine should get that much. Actually, as per me, how GATE paper should be, how the GATE paper standard should be, the same way they have given the paper today. Paper was astonishingly unexpected. True. It's unexpected. Basically, personally speaking, I have been waiting for such a paper since long. Okay. Yeah, let me complete my way of analyzing the paper. Okay. EMT was there for about 10 marks. EMT was there for EMF. As per me, like I got to know that 6 marks came from EM theory. But anyway, IIT Delhi showed its level. It's not of IIT Delhi or IIT something, Hitendra Singh. How paper should be, how students should be trained. Okay, that is the way paper came. Took revenge. Okay, it's not revenge and all there. But anyway, let me analyze that. Sir, one question of synchronous is directly from your notes, and the no question is related to frequency changes from no load to load and find the load. Yeah, actually, one thing I'll tell you. I should not claim this is the one question came from my notes, one question came from my directly, what do you say, discussion. I hate that. I don't do such a bhajan and all. I hate doing that. So I don't say that like from my notes question came. If you understand that questions came from our discussion, like, it would be happy, but I don't claim that like others. Okay. So others can claim because if we discuss complete machines, questions should come from machines only, no? Okay. So they are kids actually. Whoever are saying questions came from my discussion, from my class notes directly including numbers also came, as if IIT Delhi guys or IIT professors don't have time, such that like they will directly copy and paste these faculties questions. No, IIT will never ever do that. Maybe coincidentally sometimes it might happen. That's it. Okay. So I never say that questions came from my notes and all. No. If you understand, like if you feel questions came from my notes, mean that coincidentally it happened. I can say. Anyway, machines, as usual, first subject. Okay, so heart of electrical engineering. Okay, so from synchronous maximum questions came as usual. It should be like that. And DC induction. Okay, in induction machine one question came, and in DC one question came, and in transformer one question came, and in synchronous I think 4 questions came. Okay, and yeah, compared to last year, same level, same number of marks came. Sorry, analogy is too tough. Okay. So first of all, let us discuss about how the paper is. I will close this within half an hour, such that other coaching centers can enter into live. Okay, such that you can watch them also the analysis. But anyway, machines, yeah, unexpectedly like, unexpected question, because that should be the standard of IIT faculties. Okay, so some frequency, 100 megawatt variation of frequency with load question came, it seems it would be great. Okay, so always synchronous should be highlighted, synchronous should be given its due respect. They respected IIT professors this time, they respected synchronous machines, though many guys rejected synchronous, giving it to me. Okay, but anyway, leave about it. Next thing is power systems. Okay, machines, like, it should be given in the same way they have given, it's fine. Now next thing is power systems. In power systems, altogether 6 questions came. All over, it's not such a great tough in power systems. In fault current, load frequency control, 1 question came. Actually, few people are thinking that question is from power systems, and few people are thinking that question is from machines. But anyway, if you observe our video lectures and all, I did not teach that part in machines, but I taught in power systems, saying like, okay, the same load frequency control of power systems and loading effect of synchronous machine or alternator will be same. And like 3 single mark questions, 3 2-mark questions, 9 marks came. Similarly, like last year also, same, like, similarly, weightage is properly given in power systems also. Weightage is properly given compared to last year in machines also. Means 2 questions can be tough out of 6. Remaining 4 easily anybody can do. Okay, means if properly prepared. Overall, I can say power systems is not tough. Power electronics, because my order will be the same: machines, power systems, power electronics. And power electronics, 6 questions came, 4 single mark questions and 2 2-mark questions. Like questions came from inverter waveform, switching characteristics. One thing about switching characteristics I have to say, switching characteristics recently, like, they stopped giving questions. But anyway, it's good, because what is the purpose of GATE? Actually, previously when I attempted GATE exam and all, they used to give as a booklet. In the booklet, first they used to write, okay, saying like, what is the purpose of GATE from IIT professors, IIT point of view or MHRD point of view, in order to maintain the standard in India. Okay, so that is the purpose of GATE. So they kept the standard. Okay, and parasitic inductance, 1 question came, wonderful question. And AC voltage controller. Okay, about AC voltage controller, I have to say one thing, that actually many faculties stopped teaching AC voltage controllers as if it is not there in syllabus, because students will feel if a faculty say that, okay, this is not in syllabus, so they feel it is not there in syllabus. It is not like that. Okay, AC voltage control, and especially people say that normally in GATE syllabus it is not there, but in IES syllabus it is there. So let us discuss in IES and all. So somehow they skip AC voltage controllers, but they have given proper question on that. Wonderful. Means overlap angle. Yeah, rectifier, from rectifiers, and rectifier source current waveform. Overall, we can say that power electronics is really tough. Okay, power electronics is really tough. From weightage point of view, they maintain the same. Not expected these kind of questions from power electronics. Yeah, because the purpose of GATE is to maintain the standard. Okay, so overall power electronics, yes, I can say that it's tough, because they have given questions from unexpected areas. Okay, so that's it. Power electronics, yes, really tough. Means, because if people, because one thing I'll tell you, 2007 up to 2017 standard used to be good, and 2018 paper and 19 paper, they literally ruined the standard, frankly speaking. It's my personal opinion. Okay, but now IIT take up that as a challenge in order to maintain the standard in electrical. So we have to appreciate the efforts of them. Okay, so they made it difficult because they have to raise the standard. Okay, and yeah, transformer question was good. Yeah, it will be. And coming to network theory, 2 1-mark questions, 2 2-mark questions, all over 6 marks came. Okay, the transient question which is given is really tricky. Remaining is very easy. Actually, we can say that in network theory, compared to last year, what do you say, weightage is too much reduced. Okay, Till last year, they used to give at least 8-9 marks in network theory, and now they reduced it to 6 marks. Okay, so because of that, people feel, because network theory in the sense anybody can do easily. Okay, so people, because of that, yes, the moment they reduce the number of questions or weightage to the network theory, means remaining questions has to come from the remaining core branches, core subjects. So automatically, network moderate, yeah, I know. Okay, so automatically as the weightage is reduced in network theory, so that slot is given to other subjects. So because of that, people are feeling difficulty. Okay, and next thing is networks is okay, we can do it. That Thevenin's voltage question actually is damn easy. Okay, just apply KVL, problem will be solved. Okay, altogether networks we can say that it's moderate, but weightage is reduced in network theory. And next thing is, yes, in short, they give more from M theory. Yeah. I'm about to come to there. But anyway, machines, it's good. They have given proper weightage to synchronous. They respected synchronous machine. Many guys didn't do. Okay. And power systems, overall, we can say not tough. Power electronics, yes, tough. Network theory, it's really, we need not bother much about network theory. And remaining, actually one thing, I spoke with many students, actually like more than 25 to 50 members might have called me directly, and they are feeling that questions are theoretical questions. No, questions are not theoretical questions, questions are conceptual questions. Okay, so questions are really conceptual questions. Now next thing is control systems. Conceptual questions, tricky questions they have given, little tough. Basically, one DC machine question came, PMDC, permanent magnet DC motor. Actually, that question is not from machine's point of view. That question is from, what do you say, control systems. Okay. Anyway, 7 questions. Okay. 3 questions, 1 mark questions, 4 questions, 2 marks questions. Altogether, 11 marks came. Compared to last year, similar weightage they maintained. Okay. And compared to last year, yes, a bit little tough because unexpected areas. Okay. Basically, one thing, because of maybe few people are feeling like, have the class notes. Okay, whatever faculty teach, that is awesome, prepare that only. So but this time they went out of box, okay. And signals and systems, yes, I was keep on saying in my lectures, signals is so important. Signals will connect power electronics. Signals is very basic subject which is unexplored normally by electrical guys. Okay, see, signals, they raised the question. Okay, number of questions they raised. It should be in our previous, like from past 3 months or 2.5 months plus. Okay, I have been saying like signals important, because from electrical engineering point of view. Okay, see, signals, 6 questions they raised the weightage like hell, and 3 1-mark questions, 3 2-mark questions, total 9 marks. Okay, 2 transfer function, convolution, Laplace, Fourier, remaining also is okay. Okay, weightage wise, importance is too much increased, the level is too much increased. And signals and systems, one thing, normally as people don't prepare electric, because I'm from electrical, I know. Okay, normally electrical people don't prepare signals. Okay, so because of that, whoever did not prepare signals could feel that it is tough. Okay, but whoever prepares signals, I can say that it's medium for them. So this paper is for your student who prepare for subject, not for exam. That is a reality. Reality is that. Now next thing is analog electronics. Analog electronics, again weightage is increased beautifully. Actually, we can divide total subjects of electrical into 3. One is electrical core, another is electronics core, and another is basic subjects like network, signals, and all. Okay, so in analog electronics, in electrical side, power electronics, in electronic side, analog electronics, they have shown their muscle. Okay, 5 questions, 2 questions, 1 mark, 3 questions, 2 marks, total 8 marks. Weightage increased tremendously, and really it's tough. Kind of MOSFET. Okay, charge related 1 question came. Okay, op amp question came, and amplifier gain. Actually, the amplifier gain question is R into GM. Directly answer will come. But anyway, overall analog electronics, it's really tough. Okay, And the next thing is digital. I love saying about digital. I love saying about digital because in recent times, actually, I started my teaching career in 2002. At that time, senior faculty used to teach that sequence detector in the gate for the gate students. Okay, at that time, I was having colleagues also. They used to teach. They used to teach, but now nobody is teaching sequence detector. Okay, sequence detector, setup time, hold time violations, because the heart of digital is that. Once you understand that heart of digital, automatically you'll be too much motivated towards VLSI like me. Okay, so I decided previously to take digital electronics because of teaching this only. Okay, feeling very happy, but very pity, because no, I mean, in my way, like no coaching center is dealing sequence detector. Actually, most of the faculties don't know. Seniors only know, because everybody is focusing on Karnaugh maps, K maps, and kind of flip-flop conversions, and kind of like if I want to have 32 by 1 mux, how many 2 by 1 muxes are required? These are the simple things. Okay, so sequence detector actually in digital electronics from next year onwards, everybody has to teach sequence detector. Yes, they played their role of IIT or GATE because digital standard has to be increased. Okay, in easy analog 17 questions and GATE weightage. Okay, so from digital point of view, yes, toughness is increased. It is not actually tough, but it is like my overall performance in this gate is not good. Please suggest, sir, what I have to do. What you have to do? Okay, at the end, I will discuss what are the expectations for gate, maybe passing marks, qualifying marks, or maybe topper marks. After that, I'll tell you what else can be done. What else can be done after gate? Means whether to continue for gate or stop the gate. Okay. So anyway, digital electronics, it's wonderful. I'm feeling so happy. One question came from sequence detector. Now everybody teach sequence detector. It is not toughness, but it is unknown area to many of the offline coaching center students. Okay, so from digital, number of marks are reduced, weightage is reduced compared to last year. Okay, next thing is EM theory. EM theory 6 marks, weightage tremendously increased. Weightage tremendously increased. One question, basic question, another question, magnetostatics. Okay, basically, yes, EM theory is tough. Okay, can I say one thing? Like in EM theory, in my engineering, in first semester, 2-1 it came EM theory. And after that, by the end of semester, I did not feel confident in EM theory. So I quit. I quit attending the exam. The next semester I attended. Because EM theory, yes. Okay. So EM theory, signals and systems, analog electronics has to be studied properly. Okay. And microprocessor, one question came, okay, one question of 2 marks, microprocessor, it's okay, because same weightage, maximum one question, okay. And in measurements, yeah, measurements, I have to tell you one thing here. In measurements, till last year, we used to get 2-3 questions, or 4-5 marks, 4-5 marks. In measurement, this year, almost nil, okay. They reduced weightage like anything, okay, because that's okay, because it's measurements. For measurements, normally, like even while studying also, we don't feel measurements like we have to work hard or something, okay, though AK Sahani book is big, okay, measurements, it's okay. And aptitude, English, I have to say one thing, English, whoever know English, okay, whoever is good at English, they can get easily 13 to 15 marks, okay. But whoever are bad in English, like me, village guys, maybe I don't know, but English wise, it's good, easy only. Okay, and aptitude, yeah, and aptitude. Okay, aptitude, yes, with reasoning they have given. Okay, it's good, reasoning. Okay, along with the reasoning, actual questions came. So altogether, it's okay, aptitude. Now next thing is maths. Okay, so in maths, 8 questions. Just a minute. Yeah, one more thing is I bought this digital board such that I can show machines properly, I can show power systems properly, I can play some videos. Okay, so Aptitude first question. Okay, okay. Anyway, we bought digital board. Okay, because I received your payments. I don't want to take money. So whatever the amounts I get, I will invest in increasing quality for the students only for sure. Okay. Even signals, Achit Kamath came first, and later once I received payments, Achit Kamath teacher who taught in our institute, Srihari sir came back. Okay. So anyway, I'll increase my standard for sure. Increase the quality of the subjects for sure. I'll try my level best. Anyway, next thing is maths. 8 questions. Same like last year, weightage wise. 4 1 mark, 4 2 marks. Conceptual questions. Okay. So one thing, even one day before GATE exam, I think 1 day or 2 days before GATE exam, I released a video. Okay. See, you all of you might have attempted GATE now, right? How many formulas became useful to you? Okay. So guys, you have to respond how many formulas, like in the examination hall, you might have remembered hundreds of formulas, I think. Okay. So how many formulas became useful to you while attending the test? Almost none. Almost none. Okay. So you can, yeah, no, yes, yes. Okay. So yes, that is the reality. That is the reality. Okay. So like formulas, one book. Okay. So just like, with formulas, what will you do with formulas here? What will you do with formulas? No use, really no use. I said, okay. I said in my previous videos, the importance of signals. I said in my previous videos, the importance of digital electronics. I said that I worked in VLSI, I take digital electronics. Okay. Yeah, I mugged all the formulas. Yes, because that is the wrong direction. That is the wrong direction given by many guys. Okay. So, means very simple here. Electrical engineering is simple. Altogether, electrical engineering is simple. Cracking gate is simple. But you should not be scared. You should not be tensed. That's it. Okay. So anyway, maths questions we can say tough. Yes. Okay. Maths questions are tough. Definitely tough. We can say. In the sense, altogether, how many parts are like they have given the pressure. Power electronics from electrical side, electronic side, analog electronics. Okay. Combined area digital one question just to raise the standard of that and maths. Yeah. Sir, even I'm preparing for the past 2-3 years. I'm unable to perform up to mark. What is the problem? What is from my side or coaching center's point of view? Yeah, I'll tell you, dear. But anyway, let me conclude. After this, we will discuss what to do after GATE. Okay. I don't say that all of you has to prepare for GATE again and you please join with me and pay the payments and all. I don't do that. Okay. So point here is simple. Conclusion of our paper analysis is, first thing, maybe qualifying marks. Okay, qualifying marks will not be more than 30. I think so. It will not be more than 30. It will be less than 30 only. And the topper marks, last year topper marks 96.7, I think, 97.3, something like that. Only 2 marks question has done wrong. So 2 marks, 2 into 0.3. Okay, so 2.6 marks he lost. Okay, so that is too much, no? Won't you feel that awkwardness? In electrical engineering, if somebody get 97% of marks in all over India standard, it look very awkward. Okay, but anyway, they have taken the responsibility of sweeping away that, means we need not attend coaching, or in coaching also simple questions will come. Let us divert the students' views and all. Let us not give the proper guidance and all. They have given, yes, they are actually really has shown, okay, what to be done with electrical engineering this year. I'm feeling so happy for this. Okay, I was expecting the same. Now, next thing is topper marks will not be more than 90 for sure. Okay, so topper marks will be less than 90, I feel, and qualifying marks will be less than 30. Okay, next thing is, means if you want, basically, as recently I launched 2.5 months back, rank predictor, some kind of stories are not there with me. Okay, so if you want to have, or if you want to predict the ranks and all, you can go with other web portals and you can check the ranks. Okay, but they have shown today what electrical engineering is really where to stress. Okay, in electrical engineering, where people are misguided, they have taken that as a challenge. And Nick, this year everybody focus on signals now. This year everybody focus on power electronics. Okay, this year everybody take the importance of mathematics. Okay, it means, yeah. Okay, anyway, next thing is what to do after GATE. Okay, read standard book only. Yeah, standard book is fine here. In a standard way we have to study. Okay, but anyway, I'll take care of it. And coming to the point, what to do after GATE. For example, if you have been preparing for more than 2 years, okay, in GATE examination, for GATE examination, hopefully you have to decide now whether to continue or whether to stop it. Okay, when I'm reading the transformers question, I was laughing and your face came in my mind. Rahul Janan. Okay, anyway, point is very simple here. If you worked hard for more than 2 years, in the sense 2020, 2020, 19, 18. So if you targeted in 2000, just 2 years, if it is completed by now, we have to check whether we are eligible to compete with this competition or not. Basically, one thing I will tell you, many of the teachers I know in top institutes, one of the best or one of the worst, whatever it may be, top institutes are there. There, many teachers are not rankers. Yes. Okay. So can you say that they are not up to the mark? No. Okay. Actually, few mindsets will be there. Those few mindsets will not fit into this kind of competition. Okay. So if basically you have to take introspection, we say. Okay. I don't know much English, but you have to. Okay. See, everyone has to go back now for 10 days or 5 days or 2 days or at least one night. Means introspection should be there. After introspection, unbiased decision. How much can be the cutoff, sir? Cutoff can be, I told you, less than 30. Okay. So first of all, introspection should be there. Whether your mind will fit into this particular competitive exam style or not. If your aptitude is fitting into this or not, first take care of it. If you feel it is not fitting your mind, just leave it. Okay. Normally, all of you students, 229 members are there. All of you focus here. Okay. Even yesterday also, I spoke to one of the student. I think day before yesterday. Okay. One of the Telugite only. For example, if you are in relationship, okay, maybe boys, girls. Okay. So if you maintain the relationship, maybe dating or whatever it may be. So if you maintain the relationship for 4 years or 6 years, for example, if you feel that, okay, the other member is not at all good. After 6 years, if you come to know that she or he is not at all good for you, compatibility issues are there, for example. Will you leave it? Will you leave the relation and go ahead, or will you continue the relation? Okay. Tell me dear. For example, if you are in relation from past 6 years, okay, and after 6 years you come to know that she or he is no way compatible to each other, will you continue the relation or will you leave it? Yes, that is logic. Leave electrical engineering. If it don't fit to you, means that something else will fit you. Okay. So means point, I'm not saying you are not, anyone is will not fit into this and all, but introspection should be there. Okay. Few mindsets, leave it. Yeah, that's fine. Machine stuff, machines is not tough. Yeah, the way we look into the machine is tough. That's it. Okay. Anyway, point here is very simple here. If this GATE field or ESE field is not at all fitting to your compatibility issues are there, just leave it. Life is not about GATE. Okay. Life is beyond GATE. Okay, so one thing, and second thing is, for example, if you don't have compatibility issues, if your aptitude is compatible with electrical engineering, okay, then we have to decide what to do, what not to do. Okay, so first of all, leave. Sir, is it possible to take single subject course or purchase full course first? Actually, like, dear, I'm not a marketing guy. I don't know about marketing. I don't want to keep my mind also in marketing techniques. Okay, so maybe I have something in my mind. Let me go with the same. Okay, means if you have any individual requests from knrao.in or web portal or courses or online tests or whatever it may be, you can directly mail, and separate team is there for it. They will take care of it. If anything is required, like for me personally, I have to come, definitely it will come to me. I will respond for sure in a positive way because I'm for students. Okay, anyway, point here is, means if you don't have any compatibility issues, then you have to continue. Okay, and in BTech second year students or third year students, kindly start preparing for GATE. Okay, basically I'll tell you, before starting my civil services preparation, I was altogether different. I was literally altogether different. Okay, I used to have kind of proudness or some kind of stuff because I used to be kind of topper and all. So I used to have some kind of feeling. But once I prepare civil services, okay, that preparation, of course, I feel in civil services, forget about it. But personally, I used to feel at that time actually, everyone in his life has to prepare for civil services for 2 years. Okay, similarly for GATE also, if you can start, anyway, forget about it. If you can start BTech students, if you can start preparing for GATE exam in second year or third year, your BTech, like you will get better rankings and all in your BTech CGPR percentage, and after that also, for sure you can get in final year. BTech students, don't get scared by these toughness and all. Okay, you will get it. You will get it. And whoever completed like BTech and all. Okay, so I'm going to very soon launch a video on career counseling program we are about to start. And in that video, clearly I will take all the details. Personally, most probably I only will call or my team will call. And in that career counseling program, I will tell you what to do and all. Okay. Very soon I will launch a video. Anyway, very all the best here. Why to say all the best? It's not required. Uh, Sir, any score around 50 is fine. Yeah. Jayanti, yeah, around 50 is fine. Yeah, around 50 is fine. I think around less than 2000 or around 2000 you will get the rank. Okay. Hey, I join Kendra. I never said that here. I'm not a marketing guy. I never said that share my video, like my video, some kind of stories. Okay. I hope others might have started analysis. You please watch all others. Very all the best. No, not required. For Coal India, very all the best. Okay. Forget about everything, dear. Let us start the life again. For the whoever could not do well, whoever has done good, that's great. Hearty congratulations. And in career guidance program, career counseling, very soon I will start. Okay. Thank you, dear all. Sir, can we call you? Yeah, you can call me. Anyone can call me. But depending upon my busy schedule, I may lift or I may definitely call back. Okay. Now complete India is mine. Yeah. Whoever want counseling and all, they can try my number. They can WhatsApp me at 97418274439. I repeat, WhatsApp number 97418274439. Okay. So very soon I'll meet you again. Okay. Whoever has done, congratulations. Whoever could not do, I will talk to them personally or my team will talk to them. Okay. Thank you, dear all. Enjoy. At least take a break here. And one more thing is I have to tell you, almost from past around 3 months I have been working hard. So from 8th to 18th, I don't want to work. 10 days, I'm taking the break. After 10 days only, my videos or anything will come back. Okay. So I'm taking a break of 10 days. At least for you, 2-3 days break. Okay. Yeah, let's rock soon with better quality. I will show you, my team will show you what electrical engineering is. Okay. Thank you, dear all. Thank you so much. Thanks for the electrical machines. Thank you. Thank you.